Welcome back to maximizing your external and internal sources of income to help you get through the disability claims process and survive financially. In earlier episodes, I've talked about two external sources of benefits, employer-provided benefits and benefits that you have obtained on your own through an individual disability insurance policy, or benefits that you might be eligible for as a result of having a consumer loan with disability insurance to cover your mortgage or your car payment. Now, today, in the rest of this video, I'm going to be talking about additional benefits, external benefits that you might be eligible for. And these can include state disability benefits depending on where you live, unemployment benefits, Social Security disability benefits for you and your children, federal or state pension benefits, retirement benefits, and other governmental benefits if you work for a state, county, or federal government. You might even also be eligible for veterans benefits or workers' compensation benefits if you've been injured on the job and are collecting those benefits. Now, I think that you should be contacting the necessary agencies to get information about your eligibility for these types of benefits and information about how to apply for these benefits. For example, you can go to ssa.gov to find out the amount of your Social Security disability benefits for you and your children. You might have to obviously go to your employer to address retirement benefits if you're eligible, or that sort of thing if you've been enrolled in your employer's program or a pension plan through a state or municipality. You might have access to that based on your disability, based on your age. So you don't want to forget these external sources of benefits. So you've got to understand what you've got, your ability to access those benefits, the amount of those benefits with and without tax consequences, the impact of withdrawal from retirement or pension accounts that can impact your ERISA disability benefits, because many disability policies or plans have an offset provision if you take those kinds of sums. And of course, you need to have this in that Excel spreadsheet that we've been talking about in this series of videos. Now, I want you to remember that if there are tax consequences, you've got to take those into consideration, particularly in terms of the early penalty and fees for withdrawals. And that's going to also be compounded by the fact that the disability carrier is going to have the right to reduce your benefits. So remember that in your calculations. Now, on the flip side, your state retirement and disability pensions might be protected by the terms of your disability policy that will provide you with continued contribution to your pension or retirement fund, so long as you continue to meet the applicable definition of disability. That's something you're going to find in that disability policy or plan. So you can see, making a checklist, not for Santa, but making a checklist and adding up those total external benefits is key. So if you haven't done it, I want you to stop this video and work on your external Excel spreadsheet of the nature of the benefits, the amount of the benefits, when they start, when they could end, whether there's an offset, the taxability of those benefits, and what you think your net benefit would be after you take offsettable income. Don't forget to add Social Security disability benefits, and remember, there is an offset. You can see that this is going to impact your calculations. And lastly, don't forget, when that definition of disability changes from own occupation to any occupation, you might lose your ERISA disability benefits. So you've got to take that into consideration in your Excel spreadsheet. Got it? In our next video, we're going to be talking about other sources of income. See you soon.